Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to check your English text for grammar, spelling and other errors with Grammarly's free grammar checker. So this is the useful website and popular in the world, grammarly.com, to check grammar and spelling mistake. Just visit this URL grammarly.com/grammar check. So just you have to type this address in Chrome. Now here copy and paste your text, your article and your essay and click on check your text. Wait for a few seconds. Grammarly is proofreading. So here guys, you will see these all results. To correct these all errors, you need to create a free account with Grammarly using your Gmail, Facebook or Apple ID. So guys, you can use this Grammarly as extension for Chrome, and also you can download Grammarly application in your Windows PC or laptop. And if you download Grammarly applications, so click on new and paste your text here. So here you can correct all mistakes and errors. So thanks for watching.